So how do you claim back your miles as a small UK limited company owner slash director? Now these business miles we're talking about is normally miles you've done in your personal car. And the way you do it is, firstly, you need to keep a log of how many of these miles you're doing. And it's generally going to be to temporary workplaces. So you might be going to visit a client, that kind of thing. Now the rules on this are fairly detailed. We've done other content on it, so I won't get into it in this one. But once you've got that, you're then going to log them, calculate how many miles you did at 45p a mile. If you do more than 10,000 in a tax year, you're going to be at 25p a mile. So it's important to know when that tax year changes. It always changes on the 5th of April, regardless of your company year end. So you track that. Then you're going to want to enter them into your records. Now, if you use an app like QuickBooks or Xero, some of these apps have a feature where you can turn them on. At the time of recording the video, QuickBooks has like a native one that you can just turn on and record. Xero, you'll need to buy an expense add-on and you can claim it that way. But if you didn't want to do any of that, you could just enter it once a year. Let's say you had a pen and paper, you want to go and enter it in. You can enter it into what's called a journal. And I'll just share that on the screen with you if you can read that. And that's something that us accountants like to do. And we will key it in once a year, say, and it'll just be the total amount of mileage. And we're showing it here as money owed back to you as the director. That's why this thing, director's loan account, is in there, is it's earmarking it in the accounts. It's saying, look, we spent this and this is owed back to the director. And then you can choose to pay yourself the amount back, ideally the exact amount.